What's up, TR family? It's Tristan Reacts with another video. This one is a request from at NanLong6295, and Nan has requested we do another song. This from Woo Rim. This is live from fan meeting Rainforest, and this is called I Left My Heart in San Francisco. I'm excited to hear what this is going to be, but first, please make sure that we support these artists by doing all those amazing things you do every single day, just like buying their music, buying their merchandise, going to their concert, whatever it is that you do, please continue to do that and do me a huge favor. Go down into that description area, take a look around because there is a ton of stuff down there. Just like if you want to put in a request for a song, all you got to do is go down into that description area. You will find a link to put in a song request. Click on it, go over to that form, fill it in, hit submit, and boom, you have now just put that song on our song request list automatically. So thank you for doing that. And also, while you're down in that description area, make sure you click on that link to get you over to Woo Rim's official YouTube channel. And if he doesn't have one on his own, I'll make sure and connect you over to Forstella, because again, we definitely want to take care of these artists. So please make sure you click on that link, go over to their site, like, subscribe, and definitely drop them a comment just saying, hey, I saw you over on Tristan Reacts. That would be amazing. And while you're over on their site, also make sure you look at all their other different videos, and if you enjoy them, make sure that you hit that like button and also share those, as that truly does help these artists, in my opinion. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below and also share this video, because both of those things truly do help us with the algorithms. And as always, let's get into this.
The loveliness of Paris seems somehow simply gay. The glory that was Rome is of another day. I've been terribly alone and forgotten in Manhattan. I'm going home to my city by the bay. I left my heart in San Francisco. I on a hill, it cost me.
Wow, and again, seeing a different side of Woo Rim. Again, we all know he can absolutely kill it on the low notes, and this is cool to see him kind of go outside of that low note range and move it up, and he sounds fantastic. I'm enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to hearing what else he's gonna do. Let's keep going.
It cost me to be where little cable cars climb halfway to the stars. The morning fog may chill the air. I don't care, my love's waits there in San Francisco. Above the blue and windy sea, when I come San Francisco.
Okay, so Woo Rim is getting up there, sounding fantastic, doing an incredible job. Wow. New side of Woo Rim for sure, at least for me. Incredible job. I've seen him go up before, but this is super cool to see him do it solo and just go up, come down, and just everywhere in between. Incredible. Let's keep going.
San Francisco. Your golden sun will shine for
Good grief, again, just super cool to see Woo Rim in this just different place than I've seen him before, sounding fantastic, doing an amazing job, and then absolutely looking fantastic too. Incredible, I'm loving it. Let's take this sucker all the way to the end.
may chill the air. I don't care, my love's waits there in San Francisco. Above the blue and windy sea, when I come home to you, San Francisco, your golden sun will shine for me.
Good grief. Woo Rim doing an amazing job, sounding fantastic, and yet again, just amazing me with his talent. We all know he can hit those low notes and just absolutely kill it. This was an eye opener for me to hear him hit much higher notes and sound fantastic. Incredible all the way around, in my opinion, but please let me know what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts about Woo Rim and this song, I Left My Heart in San Francisco. I thought he did amazing, but let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to support these artists by doing all those amazing things we talked about in the beginning of this video. So please make sure you do everything we talked about, to include going over to their channel, making sure that you look around, and if there are things you enjoy over there, make sure that you like them and share them, because again, I truly believe that is how we can help these artists. And to my TR family, just like Nan Long 6295, you guys are absolutely incredible. And I am so truly blessed to have each and every one of you in this TR family again, doing all these amazing things you guys do. Buying their music, buying their merchandise, going to their concerts, whatever it is that you do to support them, by doing all those amazing things we talked about before, to include going over to their channel, taking a look around, and if you enjoy those videos, make sure that you like them and share them, because again, that is truly how we can help these artists. And a big, huge extra thank you to Nan Long 6295 for again not only giving us this amazing artist and song, but also for donating a coffee. So again, going above and beyond, I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart, Nan, for your amazing support. So thank you. And to those of you who have not subscribed, but you would like to become part of this TR family, we would absolutely love to have you. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below, or hit that join button. Either way, you too could become part of this amazing TR family. And as I've said before, we would absolutely love to have you. And please don't forget to go down in that description area and look for that link. If you want to request a song, you will find it down there. And as always, peace out. I love you all. Catch you next time.